ating katawan, sa ating kalusugan, at sa ating well-being. Ito na po para i-discuss. You really are what we eat. Nutrition gets personal. Ang ating magaling na coach, Coach Lori Rivas. Good morning, Coach!
Ayan, so perfect morning po sa lahat ng mga nasa Zoom and FB Live. Yes, I am Lori Rivas po, and I'll be sharing our special topic this morning. So, wait lang po ating kuhanin ang ating slide. All right. So again, our topic po this morning is we really are what we eat. Nutrition gets personal. And ating pong topic ay mula kay Dr. David Heber. Sino po siya? Chairman, Herbalife Nutrition Institute. And at the same time po, if you want to watch more of his content or how he shares po, you can also search his IG. Just use his name po, David Heber. All right. So, lahat po tayo kanina. Kanina po, if you were here earlier, nakakita rin po kayo ng transformation stories. Meron din po ako. So, Lori Rivas, I'm a 3 times cesarean section mama, breastfeeding kay Bunso when I started Herbalife. And at the same time po, ang background ko po, I started working at an early age, 18, working student, payat-puyat, sakitin, ang battery health very low. I don't understand personal nutrition. I don't do or I'm not a fan of supplementation, pero mababa nga yung battery health. So, yung weight ko does not translate my healthiness. Fast forward po dyan sa peak weight ko na yan, with the unhealthy lifestyle and then weight gain, mas lalo pong nagsisurface, kumbaga, yung pagiging unhealthy ko. Add to that, yung edad ko, kasi 30 plus na po ako dyan. So, results ko po, I have lost more than 30 amazing pounds, including more than 10% ng body fats. Herbalife became the solution because it's nutrition. It helped me with my weight gain. It allowed me to continue breastfeeding. And then eventually, I was able to appreciate nutrition not just for myself, but for my family kasi po may learning community such as this, may trainings like yung spectacular po, yung extravaganza, and all the trainings in between that can help me grow more as a person and as a mom or a woman, and allowed me to serve po the community one mother at a time, one working student at a time, or one empleyado na sobrang pagod sa buhay at a time. So with this community po, it's such an amazing journey. And that is why I love Herbalife. So continuing po with our topic, we really are what we eat. Nutrition gets personal. Bakit daw po personal? Quickly define lang natin yung genes. So sa authors daw po of 2021 Review Journal in Nutrigenetics and Nutrigenomics explain that better health outcomes can be achieved if nutritional requirements are customized for each individual. Actually, sabi din po ni Dr. Heber na marami daw pong range of products, say sa supermarket. Pero does that guarantee po na makakakuha daw po ba tayo ng healthier choices? Kasi totoo po ba na basihan nyo na magiging healthier tayo kung maraming choices sa merkado ng iba't ibang produkto? Pero let's also note that po that many people go where many people go. May mga fads, may trending, may viral, ayan, may mga hype. So again, ang question is it really leading us to be healthier? And at the same time po, take note po natin that nutrigenomics is a science of how food we eat affects our genes, and nutrigenetics is how genes affect that of food, that of our food. So hindi po natin masyado i-detail yan kasi masyado siyang malalim. But let's get to the other factors po. So personal choices matter. So dito po, according to the latest US Dietary Guideline as of 2015-2020, ang sabi po dito, Americans reported rates of increased chronic diet-related diseases. It has risen daw po due to, take note po natin, lifestyle behaviors leading us to question if we are making the healthiest choices. As we know in the US, marami rin silang offers. But then bakit nga po nagkakaroon ng rise dun sa lifestyle diseases na yon or chronic diet-related diseases? So hindi po ibig sabihin na maraming choices, indicator siya ng quality healthier choices. And let's also take note that there are companies that are producing or manufacturing food that they don't mind kung ano yung ending na marireceive ng body because business is business. But then what makes Herbalife unique, for example, in our case being part of the Herbalife family, is that we know that the company is concerned about what our body absorbs. So, ayan po yung kaibahan natin dun sa iba. And half of the adult Americans daw po have one or more preventable diseases. Many are related to, take note po natin, poor eating habits and lack of physical activity. So that leads us back to 80% nutrition, 20% exercise or physical activity. So personal choices matter. Ano po ito? Taste and flavor. These are the most immediate and easily accessed by us. So it also boils back down po dun sa ano ba yung nakasanayan natin na mga panlasa ng pagkain na kinakain natin. Savory, sugary, sour ba? Iba-iba po kasi yan. So personal po siya. And at the same time, of course, ayan, ano yung next natin? Cultural mores. So religion and philosophical values can wield a powerful force like kosher, vegetarian, do we fast? And at the same time po, there are also cultural and environmental ways of how we eat or how we want to like go about our diet. So hindi po rin siya literal na for example, vegetarian, ipipilit po natin na magkaroon siya ng appreciation at the onset sa meat-based na mga ng way ng pagkain. Alright. At idagdag din po natin, of course, that meron din po tayong increase ng healthcare cost. So, kaya rin po tayo ay magmamind ng ating nutrition or ilalagay ang eyes natin sa value of nutrition because it's undeniable that there's a rise in healthcare cost. Mas mahirap pa rin po or expensive pa rin po magkasakit that's totally uncontrollable versus yung magbibuild ka ng better habits around your intake, personalize your nutrition, and then go about a life or live a life or a path na papunta ka dun sa healthier path. Di ba po? So personal choices matter, continuing lifestyle. Athletes, for instance, typically need to eat before and after training. And for example po, ako nag-uumpisa ako, hindi ko ika-copy yung ginagawa ng isang atleta or isang highly active person na nagka-carbs loading sila. Bakit? Kasi hindi yun design para sa akin at ayon, design for their needs being highly active. So hindi po kung ano yung nakikita rin natin sa iba, just because they have these great results already, automatically, we go that way. Kaya po nagmamatter din po na kikilalanin natin yung sarili natin, our level of physical activity so that we can personalize because we are what we eat. Ayan po, lifestyle diseases. Certain foods with adapted nutrient composition may target conditions such as excess body weight or intestinal discomfort or choices such as sedentary behavior or high-fat diet. There are also food that we take in that triggers these lifestyle diseases. And I also believe that if we can also improve our lifestyle, we can also improve yung path ba na dadaanan ng life natin as we age. Alright. Continuing po, ayan, personal choices matter, inherited diseases. Ito naman po yung group na nag include ng merong allergies or food intolerances or inherited errors of inborn metabolism. Yan, meron po kasi undeniably, of course, pagkapanganak pa lang po nila, na-establish na po na meron silang um, metabolic challenges, G6PD, etc. Kung may alam pa po kayong iba, hindi na po natin palalawigin. But then, kaya po, we are what we eat, personal po yung nutrition, yung approach natin sa nutrition because there are also people na nakapaloob po dito sa may inherited diseases. Alright. Next po natin. Ayan, genetic predispositions. Food is also personalized according to genotyping. It's the determination of your genetic makeup or genotype by examining your DNA sequence, determining the order of those chemical building blocks or bases that make up the DNA molecule. So hindi po natin to i-elaborate, pero kung meron man po kayong naririnig, for example, na nauusa ngayon na blood typing para po makalose ka ng weight, ganito, ganyan. Ito po yung may relation dito. Kasi po, ito po yung may kinalaman dun sa DNA ba? Yung parang further pa po na examining our body. But then later on po, may video tayo na ipi-play from Dr. David Heber that may also touch the genotyping. And, pero syempre po, reminder po tayo, of course, the choices we make regarding what we eat are individual choices that should be reflective of our personal needs. So from the points that we showed that personal choices matter, magbo-boil back down po tayo na dapat kilala rin po natin yung sarili natin. And at the same time, for example, you said yes to a program with Herbalife. Be also open or comfortable in a way to share with your coach yung mga ganong mga personal stuff so that your coach can also support you accordingly. Ayan, para naman po yung personalized din po yung suporta at pag-aalalay ni coach. But we're not nutritionists, we are not doctors, but we want to make sure, of course, that with the product that you have with Herbalife, you are also getting the maximum support that you may need in order to live your best life. So there are many factors at play, but what matters most here is that you understand those factors and do your best to create a plan, a meal plan that works for you. Ayan. So ito po sa Herbalife, we have this global nutrition philosophy. Ang tanong po natin, are you getting the nutrient that your body needs according to, say, your lifestyle, your way of eating, your taste, the color of the food that you prefer. So ayan po yan. We have the macros, meron din pong rest, hydration, fiber, etc. For example, for someone like me who has a long-term gastrointestinal concerns before, I had to prioritize my fiber, my probiotics and stuff. So yun po yung personalization on my part ko. On my part. So kayo po, tignan nyo po kung ano yung targeted ba na kailangan nyo rin. And let's listen to Dr. David Heber.
Hi there, this is Dr. Dave. Talking today some more about nutrition basics. This is going to wrap up our series. And what I talked to you about today is using some personal nutrition tools that are out there to help you stick with your program. Let's take a look. Well, personalized nutrition today starts with a lifestyle questionnaire, body composition, blood testing, and in some cases, microbiome and genetic testing, although that's just coming online. Food intake based on electronic food diaries and evolving technology. Some people still write down what they eat every day. Physical activity, heart rate, and your body movement can be measured with wearable devices like the smartphone that I wear. Feedback on responses can be provided to optimize your diet and exercise behaviors. Personal and online coaching that combines nothing can approach a personal relationship developed with your coach. So personalization evolves as you change and transform your body. This is Dr. Dave Heber.
All right, so I hope that you learned a thing or two from that short video. And sinabi ni Dr. David Heber doon, personal nutrition tools or wellness tools daw po yung ginagamit. He also mentioned about the lifestyle questionnaire. Para po sa mga pumupunta sa nutrition club, baka nga po may na-encounter na kayo na mga questions na tinatanong ni coach to get to know you better. Lifestyle or wellness questions po yan, like how many hours do you sleep in a day? Ano yung breakfast mo? How many times do you exercise? How many minutes? And at the same time po, meron din po minention, of course, yung access natin ngayon sa technology, like the wearables that can help us detect how many steps do we have. Pero pag po wala, no problem naman po, manual is always welcome. Meron din po siyang minention na food diary. Yung sa food diary naman po na yon, of course, doon po sa food diary, of course, meron pong mga online, pero may sinasabi din po, of course, yung mga iba na hindi ako marunong sa tech, I don't know the application, edi magsulat po tayo. But sometimes, ang sasabihin, mahirap magsulat, paano ba yan? Eh, saan po tayo lulugar? So we find a way, of course, to help our support person to get to know us better or personalize in the support or help ourselves to have an inventory of the food that we take in. Kasi if we don't take a step on what is that minimum, bare minimum thing that we can do to track our nutrition or our intake, kung hindi po tayo marunong sa mga apps, edi magsulat po tayo, di ba po? O kaya, pa-record natin sa iba. Let's try to think of a way, find that way to make that thing happen. And meron din pong sinabi dito na meron daw pong journal as of 2016, International Journal of Epidemiology, found that participants in personalized nutrition groups improve their eating pattern significantly compared to that of nasa one-size-fits-all group or the control group. Ang ibig lang din pong sabihin nito that group number 1 are the ones with the healthier diet-based choices base sa kanilang individual needs. So it matters din po na magigets or makukuha natin or maibibigay natin sa ating body yung personal po, yung personalized po na nutrition needs niya so that we can also do that sustainably. And it's something that our body is more designed to having din po. And ito, share ko lang din po ulit, na-share din to kanina, the 7 pillars of good health. Ayan. So, sinong hindi gusto na ma-personalize ang ating journey? But we will all go through a certain path that will require us to live by the 7 pillars of good health, which is nutrition, physical activity. The physical activity in terms of personalization, you listen to your body and you will somehow gauge your fitness level. So, hindi po porket may nakita tayo na nag-hit sila 1 hour, 20 minutes, 40 minutes, agad-agad ganun po. So, we are also open, we should also be open to understand where we are at and welcome gradual changes. Water, rest, emotional and mental health, spiritual growth, community, including your coach po when you have your Herbalife products already, and of course, mental activity that contributes to the good health. Kasi po, with mental activity then, this involves learning more about our body or learning with the community so that we can grow more. Because with better understanding of ourselves, we will be able to personalize more what we need and keep a result or a progress po na, kumbaga, parang fitting sa atin. Alright. And of course, what do you get? For example, you say yes to having the products with Herbalife since we are also big of personal coaching. And so what you get a healthy community, personalized meal plan, healthy and delicious recipes. You have access to workouts. But again, we have different fitness levels. So listen to your body. Ayan, daily nutrition information and coaching. When I say listen to your body, I'm not saying that we stay in a comfort zone, but what I'm only saying is that you start where you are at, and then eventually naman, as you feel better about yourself, as you eat well as well, ayan, you will be able to adjust it accordingly. And for this one, this is the Virtual Nutrition Club, but you may also have access, say your coaches, have physical establishments or a physical location where you can meet and grow with each other in terms of nutrition and wellness. That's what we call Nutrition Club. Tanong lang po kayo sa person invited you here or your coach right now kung saan po yung pwedeng malapit so that you can somehow drop by and get in touch with or say talk to someone like face-to-face. Meron po kasi mga tao na on a personal level, mas okay sila na may nakakausap sila ng personal. Alright, and ito po, say yes to good nutrition. This is also showing the wide range of products that Herbalife has that is also helping us personalize our journey into wellness. And meron din po tayong targeted nutrition. But more than that po, Herbalife has been recognized as a super brand in the Philippines. It assures consumers that we are availing a product that is excellent in its category. And as I end, I'm very proud to share with you this topic from Dr. David Heber. Because Herbalife is #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management, well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. So for today, I hope that you learned a thing or two. With this topic, we are what we eat, nutrition gets personal, and I hope that you will be sharing 1 or 2 points that you have learned para rin po may apply na po ng kakilala nyo or kapamilya nyo sa kanilang personal wellness journey. So again, this is Coach Lori po. Thank you for learning with us today. Back to
Yeah.